Spokane lab that tests for anthrax and ricin is now in danger of closing. It's one of just 2 bio-terrorism labs in the state of Washington, and officials say it's something we can't afford to lose. KXLY4's Kylee Cruz working for you tonight with what this lab does for Eastern Washington and what would happen if it did close. Kylee?
And Nadine, if the bio-terrorism lab at the Spokane Health District shuts down, the only other one in the state is in Shoreline. That's about 300 miles away. Health officials say in a critical situation, that's just too far. Inside Eastern Washington's only bioterrorism lab,
You can see this is a positive sample.
Kylee Brilliard is hard at work.
I am the person who tests specimens that come in.
She's been here since the lab opened 10 years ago.
It is high stress when you're first testing them, knowing that it is such a critical result that you have and that people are waiting.
Any big threat in Spokane, she tests it, like the suspicious backpack found at the MLK parade in 2011 and the ricin-laced letters sent to the post office and a Spokane judge last year.
I really feel that we've had enough events here in Spokane to really justify the location of a laboratory here, and that turnaround time could be the difference between getting people treated as fast as possible.
It's not only the high-profile cases we hear about, but the tests that come back negative that justify keeping the lab open. If samples aren't tested here, it could take hours or up to a day to send it to the state's only other bioterrorism lab in Shoreline on the west side.
We've seen public health funding go down and down and down.
Funding from this lab has dwindled since 2011, and now it's gone. No more.
So at this point, there is no federal dollars to support testing here in Spokane.
The Health District's board recently voted to temporarily fund the lab, but that's only through the end of this year. Carrie doesn't want to hang up her lab coat yet. She loves her job and the work she does.
I believe it's important for the community, and also I really enjoy microbiology.
The lab also tests for the flu. That testing would go away as well. The health district needs $150,000 each year to fund the lab to pay for staffing and equipment. And if long-term funding can't be secured in the coming months, this facility will close at the end of the year. In the studio tonight, Kylee Cruz, KXLY4 News.